What a beautiful day it would be to be playing my guitar with the angels and be leading heaven's choir. We'll be chanting hallelujah with the saints and the elders. Hosanna to the one who reigns on high. So while I wait, I'll play my part. I'll fast and pray, I'll preach the word till everyone around me hears the truth that Jesus is coming soon. So let the heavens prepare the grounds, cause this young boy has made a vow that when the trumpet sounds, 1 billion souls would fly on my account.